Hi there guys, this is Gary once again. I have in front of me another parcel. I'm going to be unboxing it now, so here we go. But never use a screwdriver because I can't find a pair of scissors at the moment, so here we go. 1, 2. Ooh. So here's my parcel. I started opening it, but never ever use don't use a screwdriver for it because it's quite dangerous. But I've just done it because I have to do it again. Ooh, I wonder what. Hey, I started it. Oh, well, it's got a next. It's got a next bag in it. Ooh. Sorry about that, guys. Why's it got the next bag in it? Oh wow. This, I know I already got it, but it's a Simpsons talking alarm clock, and also it's a radio clock, because I know I've got one before, but the other one's a bit damaged, but this one's in better condition. Right, let's do this. Right, I can't believe how bad, because if you use with the sellotape, that brown sellotape, you can't get it open. So here it is. It's a talking radio alarm clock. Oh gosh, what is this? And this is great. Is there batteries in it? No. So I have to put batteries in it. So, sorry guys, I'm gonna have to do this. Sorry about that, guys. I wanted to do that. So it takes the same batteries in the other one. I just want to pause it so I can show you what batteries it takes. So I'll be back. Right, here they are. This one here takes the very big ones, what I'm going to put in first. Because if you know, take a bit of time. So I'm just going to pause it there, guys, in a minute. And also, these are double A ones, because I've got so many double A's. I'm just so... I bought loads of batteries, so I'm pleased. So I've got my bag here with the batteries. So I'm just going to pause it there again, guys. So, right. These are the batteries what I put in. So these are the double A's. The next one what I'm going to put in, guys, is the big batteries. Because I think that will work the other battery. You know, the radio, and it says YE little. Oh, ones. Can't believe I just picked up the ones. The thing is, I went to Morrison's a couple of days ago and I picked up the one battery. No. That's the one. what I need to put in. That's the bit annoying when it comes. I have to try to get. Oh, right. I've got some more of these batteries because I got them from eBay. These ones, the Duracell ones. The Duracell ones are more powerful because I buy a lot of Duracell batteries. I know they're quite expensive, but I'll just put my camera here for a minute. So. Talking about the big batteries, it takes 3. So here goes the other one. It takes 2 of the double A ones, but with these ones, it takes 3 of them. And the Wesco Wallace & radio clock one, what I'm hoping I get next month, is takes so many batteries. And that's in. Is it gonna talk?
Why, you little...
Bombs away, man!
Go!
Yeah, it works. Do 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 do. And it's tight. Yay! Done it. This is a better one because I've got. Oh, careful. This one is a better one because it's got the aerial things. But with this one, it's good. It's much better.
Why, you little...
Bombs away, man!
Go!
I love it. And you can That's perfect. I actually love it. Because with the other one, I'm going to show you the minute. There is not in good condition. As you can see, it's a bit damaged. It's got a crack on the side. But this one's perfect. And this one was released in. It says 1997. Wesco's 1997. Made in China. So, guys, if anyone's got questions about this Wesco's 1997 clock of The Simpsons with Bart and Homer in it, you've got Santa's little helper sleeping, and Lisa and Maud. Sorry, guys. Alright, guys, I'm pausing it in a minute because I want to show you the box. Actually, I've got the box here. So here's. Right, this is the. It's actually back now because I've got the box, the radio. I don't think I showed you this before.
Why, you little...
Bombs away, man!
Go! Why, you little...
Bombs away, man!
Go!
This clock is a 1997 clock by Wesco's in China. It looks good. I just need to clean it a bit because I think it's a bit dusty. So, anyway, there's the box. It says, "Why you little bombs away, man?" And it says, "Stop." So, guys, thank you for watching. I'll be doing more unboxing soon, so stay tuned for that. Thank you.